Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen because today we are going to be making some rice water for hair growth. This has been a growing trend with the natural hair community. This fermented rice water has amino acids, vitamin C, vitamin B, vitamin E, makes your hair shiny, reduces dandruff, and really helps with hair growth. Now what really inspired me to do this is my YouTube and Instagram friend. Her name is Jazz Mary. You guys can look her up and I will link her down below if you guys want to check out her rice water videos. I know she is dealing with some postpartum hair shedding and this has really helped her. So I have decided to give it a try and see what it can do for my natural hair. So if you guys want to see how to make this rice water mixture and how I apply it to my hair, then please keep watching. Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to need for this recipe is rice. I'm going to be using a half a cup of rice. You can use any kind of rice, but I'm going to be using the organic long grain white rice. I believe this is from Publix. Next, you're going to need a container. I like to use a glass container because I am going to be adding a few drops of essential oils. For my essential oil, I'm going to be using the Briogeo Be Well Organic and Australian 100% Tea Tree Oil. I'm also going to be adding a couple drops of 100% pure lavender oil. And lastly, I'm going to be using about 2 cups of water for this mixture. So first we're going to start by adding half a cup of rice to the container. Next, I'm going to add some water to the rice just to clean it up a little bit and get any of the impurities off the rice. After this, you can go ahead and pour the water out and just strain the rice. Now that our rice is nice and clean, now I'm going to add the water that we're actually going to make the rice water with. So I'm just going to fill up this container and then we're going to go ahead and add some of our essential oils. I'm going to start with the tea tree oil and add a few drops to the container. Now I'm going to take a few drops of my lavender essential oil and add those in as well. Now we're going to go ahead and give that a shake, and as you can see, the water has gotten pretty cloudy. This is the rice beginning to infuse with the water. So I'm going to go ahead and put this mixture into the refrigerator. You can leave it in as long as you'd like. Most people leave it for about 3 hours if you don't want it to smell as strong, or you can leave it up to 24 hours, 48 hours. The longer it ferments, the stronger it's going to be. Alright, so now that our mixture has been fermenting for a few days, I'm now ready to start applying it onto my hair. I'm starting with an old wash and go that needs to be washed, so I'm going to be applying this rice water onto my roots for an overnight treatment. As you can see, I've added my mixture to a small spray bottle. This is going to make it very easy to apply onto the hair and direct it specifically in the areas where you need it most. So I'm going to be using this treatment and directing it mostly on my roots because I am going to leave it on my hair overnight and don't want to sleep with soaking wet hair. Now that I'm finished applying my rice water treatment to my roots, I'm going in with my handy dandy scalp massager. You guys have seen me use this Vanity Planet scalp massager in countless videos, but this is actually their newest design of the scalp massager, so I wanted to show you guys how this one works. This new design has a little bit different teeth on the bottom, which I think is a little bit more comfortable than their previous design. This design also has 2 vibration speeds, which I think is great for individuals who have a more sensitive scalp like I do. You're still getting all the great benefits of a scalp massage by promoting hair growth, but it's just going to be a little bit more gentle, and you can adjust the speed depending on where you're using the scalp massager. So if you're doing a deep cleaning shampoo, you can make the vibrations go a little bit faster, and if you're doing a scalp massage that's a little bit more mild like this one, you can make the vibrations go a little bit slower for a softer massage on the scalp. I still have the same discount code for this new design, so if you guys want to kind of upgrade your scalp massager, you can use the code AMANDAGREW for 50% off, and like always, I will have that linked in my description box down below so you guys can check it out. Alright guys, so to finish up this hair treatment, I'm just putting my hair in a pineapple and getting ready for bed. So that means applying my Satin bonnet. In the morning, I'm going to shampoo and condition my hair and just do my regular wash and go routine. Let me know if you guys have any questions for me about this routine in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.